Okay, welcome to today's free trading video and market analysis. I'm your host, Kenny, Senior Research Analyst with the MiniAnalyst.com. First thing we're looking at today is, as usual, the intraday dynamics. This is our player dynamics, and the first thing we see is, we were bullish. Bullish indications here, all green. Not so much there, a little bit choppy on this day. This, I believe, was Monday. And but still bullish there, but did run into a little bit of trouble here late in the day. Having said that, continued bullishness here, continued bullishness here, continued bullishness here, not really here, which would be suggestive at any rate of a little tumultuousness in the environment, and that's exactly what we saw. This was Tuesday, just very choppy, very choppy. The choppiness does continue. The next day, this was Wednesday, and again, all green, bullish, 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 bullish. And what do we get? We get a higher open. We do get confirmation of the move. We come down, retest the trend, and actually pretty much fill the gap and proceed to move higher for the session. So that was an up day, as our indicators would have suggested. And most importantly, the switch to bearish. How do you know not to continue to buy here? Well, this was a bull trap, and the reason you knew that was bearish, 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 bearish. Look at that divergence. Look at these divergences sliding right into bear territory. By the time we get here, we break below the early session lows of Thursday morning, right around here, below the trend, full bearishness, all red. What happens? The market continues to drop, another 20 points in the ER2. We are looking at the chart of the E-mini Russell 2000 futures contract, front month. And this is real time. So where are we at now? 700. What are we doing at 700? We haven't been there in a while. We've been here for about 6 weeks now, so just chopping around. Great traders environment from a discretionary perspective. Been a little choppy for us. I think we're up maybe 5 to 10% over the last month or so. So they can't all be 20 to 30% winners, and we do certainly anticipate this to continue for at least the foreseeable future until we see a break. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to pause this real quick. And okay, and we're back. Sorry about that. So we wanted to switch over to the daily chart of the cash market, the S&P 500. Nice little triangle formation forming here. Got a couple of different chart patterns. Got a triangle formation here. Nice high there, lower high. Nice low, higher low there, and working on a even higher still low. But I'm telling you, it definitely looks like we've got a bit of an ugly. We actually had a client write in saying, "Isn't that a head and shoulders formation right there in the S&P cash?" Well, we didn't see it, but we said if we got another shoulder, it definitely would be there, and we're actually getting that right shoulder as we speak. So that would suggest that the triangle formation, that in concert with the fact that we remain fully bearish, and have remained fully bearish, at least officially bearish, since around 1480 something or other, I believe it was 1468 was our official switch to bearishness. So we're at 1343 now, off a low of around 1270, I believe. So we came up to that key pivotal 1368 mark here, had a reaction there, had a reaction again, another ET sell signal, nearly an outside day bearish reversal here, and that's why we're getting this move lower today. Of course, we looked at our intraday dynamics, and we also saw why we were getting the move lower today. So that would suggest that we are, the forces are probably waiting towards a bearish break of 1300. We didn't come down here and test this very round level, so if we do break below 1320, obviously we're going to move lower and probably to around the 1250 mark. So that's where we stand. We're still officially bearish. Not much has changed. We've been chopping around since this very impressive outside bullish day reversal on January 23rd, and that's put us in a trading range, but we do anticipate the continuation moves lower. And of course, that's just basically what price is telling us, and price is the final arbiter. So we're going to go ahead and look. We've got a lot of requests for our actually, let's just pull this in here real quick. We're going to take a look at that. This is our swing ESR, and this system is just great. It's just been absolutely amazing. So we can scroll back a little bit here, and another wonderful short. I mean, it's just nailing the market left and right. I believe we had an offer for you guys the last time we spoke on this system. Short right there, buy right there, short again, short right there. One little bitty loss, maybe two, in the last almost this whole year. Another little loss over there. Beautiful. Scroll back to the next set of trades. Beautiful short setup. nice little long. I mean, it's just nailing the market, just left and right. We can go ahead and pull up the performance report and just see where this little puppy is. But oh, are you crazy? Look at that non-optimized performance. That's what it can do if you can gauge the market correctly. $23,000 against a $4,500 max drawdown. Very impressive moves there. It's almost a $200 average trade net profit. So every time you put on a trade, go ahead and pretty much bank on $200. And this system, the Swing ESR, is actually not on the website, but you can subscribe to this system for just $500 for 3 months, I understand, for trading up to 2 lots. So you can trade 1 lot if you'd rather, or trade 2. But that is a great system. Not on the website as of yet, but you can go ahead and get an early start on a special, $500 for 3 months for this system. And as you can see, very impressive equity curve. We definitely enjoy seeing that kind of stuff, and do expect it to continue. So I just want to take a look at that real quick, and running out of time here as usual. But we did want to take a look at we're always getting requests on our Forex stuff. I mean, they're like, wow, your all's Forex portfolio is the best in the world on Strategy Runner's website. I mean, you beat out every trader on the planet, at least that trades in automation through Strategy Runner, and this is why. Look at these moves. Blast higher in the British pound against the euro. Very nice moves. Too short. Look at this short setup in the Swiss franc. Gee, many cricket eaters. That is an impressive trade right there. And so that's some pretty nice gains recently. Another beautiful winner. Now, these 5 systems have been running as is for about a year and a half, and we've kept our Forex stuff kind of on the down low. We're more of a futures related firm, but when you're number 1 in the world, you really just have to, have to bring it to the fore. There's another beautiful winner right there in the euro against the dollar, and more beautiful winners. Actually, we can go ahead and pull up some of these performance reports, and we're running out of time. So there's the Aussie, there's the euro right there pulling up, just very impressive. Like I said, these systems have been running unfettered for probably a year and a half, over a year. And there's the British pound, and this is why you want to be diversified. This is why I have not 5 non-correlated. Look at that, chopped around, but just has blasted higher in the last 6 months or what have you. So there's that. We're going to go ahead and switch over now to, let's see where we are. There's the actual system today. Now this is just trading 3 lots. This is our MAFX portfolio. Make it 5,500 today. Right there, long the euro, long as you just saw the euro against the dollar. And I'm going to go ahead and look at a couple other things. Now here's the 3-day performance of a lot of our portfolios. Matte Black, as always, marching forward, up 7%. Swinger, very volatile portfolio. That's an aggressive portfolio, down 12%. No big deal. It's about 3 days. Every other portfolio is gaining, though. The Delta 20 up almost 10%. The Delta 5. These are very diversified portfolios, up 11%, almost a triple-digit gain for a Delta B. That's a very nice conservative portfolio. And the Delta Black, mirroring the Matte Black, almost with a nice 6% gain on a $100,000 portfolio. And there's the MAFX, 13% over the last, and that actually doesn't include over the last. So we're going to go ahead and look at that, and then we're looking at the Matte Black here. We've actually got a special on here. You can save $400 when you subscribe to a quarterly special of $4,000 for 3 months. You can actually save $400. Get that for $3,600. That's the Matte Black. These are December numbers. We're working up January's numbers as we speak, but January is very volatile, so I'm thinking it's right around here, which is, as you can see, an absolutely great time to get started. So we're probably going to have a gain of around here for our Matte Black. That's why we wanted to promote this, get that out to you, because once we do get the performance numbers, it'll probably be around here, and as you can see here, boom, not so much there, but definitely boom. Right there, boom and boom. So definitely a great time to get involved with that. If you guys have any questions, hope you're having a great week, and you can choose an email to admin@MiniAnalyst.com or go to the website, chat with our support team, and hope you guys had a great Valentine's Day and have a great weekend. We'll see you next time.